Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you the new Key Keg Coupler from DSI. The Key Keg Coupler has a new sleeve valve which is to depressurize the empty key keg. To disassemble and clean and reassemble it, you can proceed as follows. Disassemble the handle and the piston and the decompression valve. Disassemble the thread adapter with an Allen key. And simply pull the slider off. Here is an O-ring in the body in a small groove. Be careful by pulling it out. Here are sealings in the slider. Be also very careful during pulling them out. Disassemble the seal and the O-rings from the piston, and again be very careful to not damage the O-rings, the sealings and the sealing surfaces. Once you disassembled all parts, you can clean them as you are used and then reassemble it like follows. The small O-ring, you see we have 3 different sizes of O-rings on the piston and the body, and 2 very small sealings in the slider. Put the small O-ring on the upper groove of the piston and the big O-ring onto the piston in the lower groove. Then put the medium O-ring in the body and put the body onto the piston. You can reassemble the handle and tight the screw hand tight. Then put that sealing back, reassemble the decompression valve and put the sealings back into the slider of the sleeve valve. Please be very careful, and after mounting all the sealings and O-rings, please don't forget to re-grease them. Then put that slider back onto the stud. As you can see, it doesn't matter in which direction, and reassemble the adapter and tighten it with an Allen key hand tight. And here we go. Thank you for watching.